สวัสดีครับ Hey guys, the most unique things about Thai language is the polite particle, which is ka for a woman and khrap for a man. Everyone knows about it. Nobody really know how to use it. And when the foreigner use it, it just sounds robotic. Why? I'm gonna show you 4 ways to use it correctly and easy to remember. The first one, use when you want to sound polite. And usually we use at the end of the sentence. For example, in greeting, introduction, and giving the information. For example, in greeting, สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีค่ะ Introduction สวัสดีครับ ชื่ออาร์ชีครับ Giving information ผมอยู่กรุงเทพครับ When you talk, put the polite particle in the first and the last sentence, not in the middle sentences. For example, สวัสดีครับ ผมชื่ออาร์ชีครับ ผมเป็นคนไทยครับ ผมเป็นนักเรียนครับ และผมอยู่กรุงเทพครับ That sounds so robotic. Like you put it in every sentences. Instead of that, just use this. สวัสดีครับ ผมชื่ออาร์ชีผมเป็นคนไทย ผมเป็นนักเรียน และผมอยู่กรุงเทพครับ If you notice that I only use in the beginning and at the end. Use when you want to reply to the yes and no question. For example, ใช่ครับ ใช่ค่ะ ไม่ใช่ครับ ไม่ใช่ค่ะ It's just a short answer to give the information of yes or no. And that's all how to use it. But keep in mind, if you are a woman, the polite particle ka, we have 2 tones. The first one is ka, and the second one is ka. Ka is a falling tone. Ka is a high tone. The difference between this is ka is the polite particle for woman to give the information or to answer. Ka, which is a high tone, sounds like the other language, which is for the question. For example, ชื่ออะไรคะ What is your name? ชื่ออาร์ชีค่ะ That is my name. So that's how to use it. And luckily for all the men, we only have one, khrap, and we don't have to change anything. And now you guys can use the polite particle in Thai like a pro and don't sound robotics. And there's one more thing that is very important in my language, which is dropping the pronoun. What do you mean by dropping the pronoun? When we talk to each other in Thai, or when you hear the conversation over on the street, or in the BL, or in any kind of show, you will see that we drop a lot of the pronoun. For example, we don't really say the word I, we don't really say the word you, because Thai language depends on the context. So from now on, just keep in mind that all of the video that I am going to make, it will have a lot of dropping pronoun, which I will not mention. For example, สวัสดีครับ สบายดีไหมครับ I did not say คุณ which is you คุณสบายดีไหมครับ because that sounds robotic. I am going to teach you guys the real Thai as a local. How do we talk? How do we speak? So please keep in mind. Speak Thai with fun and don't stress if you get it wrong.